Hello friends, now let us take up OFG-13. This is the 13th program in training session 5 of our OFG. This is preparation and printing of simple biodata. Here I want to demonstrate you the reading process, reading input data from keyboard and initializing instance variables. As I told you already, this is the fifth way of initializing instance variables, and everything you practice. When you have to use particular one, I do not know. That's why just a matter of few hours you work and all that, you get command over all the ways of inputting data you learn. Okay, now using keyboard, for that all the requirements I explained. Now you study the program, you understand. Only 5 lines you have to specially focus. Actually, the specialty of this program is actually in main only. I am not creating any blueprint class. Just I have to, because this biodata thing is not new to you. Very simple. That's why again I didn't define any blueprint class directly. In main I am defining that difference you have to observe. Actually, in for the sake of simplicity, I am using only 3 data items. One is the name, second one is age, third one is height. Okay, now types also know. Name is string, age is int, and height is float. Okay, 3 types of data we read, and you have to understand the corresponding statement clearly. Okay, now we see. First, what we did for this purpose. First, we have to import scanner class. Import Java dot scanner. That you must import explicitly. Okay, that is the first top statement, and thereafter you see we have for scanner class SC object we created, because this is object oriented program. Everything is an object. As I told you many times, Java deals only with object, nothing else. In Java's viewpoint, everything is an object. A book is an object, a car is an object, a person is an object, a marks report is an object, bank account is an object, an error is an object. So, in other words, Java does not deal with any non-objects. That point you have to understand. Here, that's why scanner class object we have to create. Scanner class object already explained to you in the concept. Then new, same way, new scanner. What input you have to give? That is, scanner class deals with the input data, input stream. That's why system.in we are giving as input. However, SC object we have created. So via SC object only we can read data. Now see point wise. First, enter your name. Enter your name. What we have to use? SC next line. SC next line you have to use. Then it reads string and you can store it in the name. Name already declared as string. Second one is age. Age is an integer. So SC dot next int string next line and int next int. For float, SC dot next float. This way you are reading, and in turn you are assigning to corresponding variables, and thereafter writing statement, writing biodata is not an issue. If you are good at SOP statement, you can write that. So mainly in this program, what you have to focus? First, you have to import scanner class. Scanner class is stored in java.util package, and in that scanner class is there, that you have to import. Thereafter, scanner class object you have to create, that is scanner SC a new scanner. Only special thing is this represents input stream system.in. So you have to give it as an argument. This is a new point to you. Thereafter, 3 values are reading. One is string. For that purpose, SC dot next line you have to use, and the second one SC dot next int function you have to use. Third one reading float, SC dot next float you write. So as I told you already, for all the new points you write your own notes. By that you never forget, and in future whenever you get doubt, immediately just a reference of a minute is enough. And whatever notes you are writing, you classify them, just don't dump them. If you dump and all that, instead of setting 10 lines, you have to set 100 lines. That's why whatever topic and all that, you categorize and write a simple understandable notes, and it will be useful to you. And finally, see the output. Output: enter your name Arjun, enter your age 22, enter your height 5.6, everything is printed.